This is what you'll need to set up your left and right LED fog lights. Take your left fog light and one bracket A and place it on the threaded hole on the left side of the fog light as if you're looking at it from behind. Grab your 4mm Allen bolt along with one washer and screw it in. Now grab one bracket B and one Allen bolt along with a washer and screw that in as well. This is how it should look once everything is set up correctly. My front bumper has the Viper cut, so it's easy for me to disconnect the connector and remove the 2 Phillips screws. Once the 2 screws are out, gently pull and slide to your left on the left fog light, and then you slide to the right on your right fog light. Once your old fog lights have been removed, slide in the new LED lights and screw it in with the 2 screws.